Whether you're into classics, resto mods, or late model collectible cars, there's an automotive auction experience this fall that will deliver on all fronts. Vicari Auction's Biloxi, Mississippi event features gems from all collector car genres. This auction is the highlight of the 24th annual Cruise in the Coast, a week-long automotive extravaganza taking place along the beautiful Mississippi Gulf Coast. Notable vehicles for sale include this unrestored 1976 Ford Falcon XBGT. This right-hand drive Australian muscle car icon survived with around 76,000 actual miles. This Sebring Orange 2019 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is fully loaded and is like new, with only 4,306 miles showing. With two signatures from Shelby himself, this Factory 5 Shelby Cobra stands out from other Shelby replicas. The hardy 427 cubic inch Ford V8 pushes plenty of power through the Borg-Warner 5-speed manual transmission. Quenching the thirst of late model collectibles is this 2018 Porsche GT2 RS. The white body with black stripes is complemented with a striking black and red interior. From its dramatically chopped top to its silvery pink paint, this 1969 Ford Thunderbird definitely stands out from the rest. Under the hood rests a massive 429 cubic inch V8 with 360 horsepower. Hailed as the hottest car of 2020, Vicari Auctions is proud to present this 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. With the 2LT option, this C8 Corvette has what many agree is the all-around best mix of performance and luxury features. Witness these fine examples along with many other collector classics at the upcoming Vicari Auctions Biloxi, Mississippi event on October 9th through 10th.